Do you want to know how to uninstall Microsoft Edge? Well, then you are into the right video, because in this video I am going to show you exactly how to do this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any kind of mistakes. So if you go into the apps and feature option here and type here Edge, you will see Microsoft Edge here, but we cannot uninstall this application from here. Okay, so what we can do here, we can actually open up the this PC here, then go to the C drive, then click on program files x86, and then click on Microsoft folder, then Edge folder, then application, and then this numerical folder here, and then click on the open up the installer folder. And once you are in this installer folder here, you will just simply have to remove this address and type cmd, and then you have to enter this code here, which I am now pasting here. Okay, this is setup.exe space, then two dashes uninstall, then space two dashes system dash level, two dashes verbose logging force uninstall. Now when you hit enter, this Microsoft Edge will be deleted from your computer. So that's it for this video here. You can show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel, and if you have any kind of questions regarding this video here, you can ask from us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.